polymers. In this course, I will talk about polymers. It will be an introduction to polymers chemistry. And today, we will know the definition of the polymer, what is polymers, and how they are classified, what is the expected future for polymers. So what is polymer? To define polymers, we need to know its name in Latin. So poly means many, mer part. So polymers, a polymer means many parts. So each polymer means many parts. The polymers, and sometimes it is called the macromolecule, they are material that is made of long repeating chain of molecules. So it has many parts that made of these polymers. Every polymer is a repeating unit of a molecule. For example, polyethylene. Polyethylene is many ethylene parts are linked together to form the polyethylene, and so on. What are the properties of polymers? Polymers, they have unique properties, and these properties depend on the types of molecules being bonded together and the way they are bonded, how they are bonded together. So these two things determine what will be the properties of that polymer. What is the molecules that build this polymer and how they are bound together. So some polymers are elastic. They can stretch like rubber and polyester. Others are hard and tough like epoxy and glass. So they can be elastic, they can be hard. So they have different physical properties. The polymers can be classified into synthetic polymers and natural. Natural polymers that are the polymers that exist in nature, while synthetic polymers are the polymers that are synthesized, chemically synthesized. Natural polymers, we can see it everywhere around us. We can also see them inside my body, inside our bodies, like the rubber and wood. The rubber and wood are natural polymers, which consist of a simple hydrocarbon, which is isopropene. Isopropene linked together, forming polyisopropene. Also proteins. Proteins are polymers. They are made up of amino acids. The nucleic acids, the DNA and the RNA, they are polymers which are made up of nucleotides. For the synthetic polymers, also we can see them everywhere around us, like the plastic, the polyester. So the polyester fibers are polymer, plastic are polymer. All of these are polymers. The process, the chemical process of forming a polymer is called a polymerization. So the chemical reaction that form polymers is called polymerization reaction. And later we'll talk about the different type of polymerization reaction. What exactly happened that we have a molecule? This molecule is called the monomer, which is one part and small. When this monomer, many monomers are bonded together, they form a polymer. Consider this monomer is ethylene. When we collect many ethylene molecules together and they are bonded together, they will form polyethylene. They will polymerize in polyethylene. Propene is a monomer. When many propenes are bonded together, they are polymerized and they form a polypropylene or polypropene. So the small unit, the one unit of that made up the polymer chain is called the monomer. But the polymer chain itself, the macromolecule, is called the polymer. So polymerization is the method of creating synthetic polymers. This is the way how monomers are polymerized to form the synthetic polymer. And they are held together by covalent bond. So the bond in the polymer is covalent bond. This chain of monomer is also called macromolecules. Most of the polymers have a string of carbon atoms, and this carbon atom is a backbone. Carbon linked to another carbon linked to another carbon. Many, maybe hundreds or thousands of carbons are linked together to form the backbone of the polymer. This is called the backbone, carbon backbone of the polymer. What are the uses of polymers? As I said, we can see polymers everywhere, like the grocery bags, the soda and water bottles, the textile fibers, phones, computers, food packaging, automotive parts, and toys. All of these are polymers. So the popular example of polymers, polyethylene and polypropylene, and they are composed of from 2000 to 200, from 10,000 to 200,000 of monomers. The future of polymer. The future of polymer is very brilliant. A lot of researches are done, and they are used in almost all fields. They are used in medicine, in chemistry, in manufacture, in industry, in everywhere. Researchers are working to improve the quality of these polymers for medicine development and to enhance the product that we are using. The carbon polymers, for example, they are being developed and enhanced for automotive industry to bring lighter cars, for example. Carbon fiber reinforced polymers or CFRP composites or carbon fiber laminates. They are the next generation material for making the car lighter and more fuel efficient and safer. This is a type of polymer that's used in the manufacturing of the cars. It's holograms. There is a hologram device which can hold several images instead of just one. And development of polymers is going on all the time. For example, polymers are used to enclose, to encapsulate stem cell, to make the delivery, precise delivery of the stem cell to the exact position. Also, polymers are used for nanomedicine, which can carry nanomaterial, nano drugs to, for example, to certain position in the body, like in cancer treatment. So it's very, very, very important. Also, artificial skins like the silicone polymer that is used for anti-aging, and also some creams, some face creams, cosmetics. There is the polymer that is able to tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. For example, the collagen. Collagen is a type of polymer that is used for to make skin more elastic, less age marks. Also, some polymers are used to help for recovery purpose, like ischemia, and some of them can be used as sunblock. So, polymers is used in a very wide range in every type of manufacturing and medicine. Also, researchers are working to improve the properties of polymers and to discover more uses of that polymers. This is a small introduction about polymers in general. So we'll take more detailed explanation of polymers in the next videos. Follow me. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. And if you have any comment, write it, or you have question, write it in the comments down below. Thank you and see you. Bye.